a great American in whose symbolic shadow we stand today, signed the Emancipation Proclamation. This momentous decree came as a great beacon light of hope to millions of Negro slaves who had been seared in the flames of withering injustice. It came as a joyous daybreak to end the long night of their captivity. But 100 years later, the Negro still is not free. 100 years later, the life of the Negro is still sadly crippled by the manacles of segregation and the chains of discrimination. 100 years later, the Negro lives on a lonely island of poverty. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. I have a dream that one day on the red hills of Georgia, sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners will they be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood. I have a dream that one day, even the state of Mississippi, a state sweltering with the heat of injustice, sweltering with the heat of oppression, will be transformed into an oasis of freedom and justice. I have a dream. My four little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today.
What's up, G4M gang? I hope you all are in great spirits and you all are in good health. I am bringing you this very colorful acrylic. I chose this design just because of, what's happening in the world, that, believe it or not, we all are affected. The Black Lives Matter, the hashtag BLM, the I Can't Breathe hashtags, they are surrounding us. They are everywhere. And I really hope that everything that is going on is just bringing more light to where the problem lies. It's not okay. And I really hope that our supporters and those watching this upload are a part of the solution. Please don't contribute to the negativity and be a part of the problem, because that means that the world will never change. I have 4 children. I have 2 sons. My sons are biracial. All of my children are, I'm sorry. We're all affected. It's heartbreaking. When my husband goes to work, I worry. When my sons aren't with me, I'm scared. My son recently was attacked, and it's just really bad based off of the color of your skin. I taught my kids that, these are the colors that matter. These shades that I'm using in this video. I'm using Mia Secret's Flash Neon Nail Art Powder. But these are the colors of the rainbow. We don't see black or white. And I don't understand why it's been so long. Since when Dr. King originally had that speech, to this day, it's still nonsense. I refuse to get emotional. I pray that you all stay safe, do the right thing. Please help solve the issue, contribute. Please contribute positivity. Do not contribute any kind of negative energy. All of our new subscribers, we love you so much. Thanks for hopping on and joining our family. To those who have been there with us from day one, thank you, we love you, and without you, we would not be here. I hope you enjoyed this upload. It's going to be a bit of a talk through. So as you can see, I am using the Flash Neon Nail Art Powders from Mia Secrets. I did record how I customize them with the glitters that I make. If you all like these shades, please let me know. And I will work on maybe making them a collection, temp collection, something. I don't know. But I pretty much, it looks a little crazy right now. I did make them thick. Just because I wanted to make sure that when I did go to file, I didn't interrupt my colors that I had. So my base is pretty much nothing, honestly. I dehydrated with Valentino's dehydrator. And I used Glamorous Nude and Cover Peach as the base of the ones with the rainbows on them. And I used the Glamorous Nude on the, two nails that are plain. And yeah, so after I did that, I just encapsulated it using Young Nails Speed Clear. I'm sorry, Cover Peach was from Young Nails too. I will have everything that I use in the video in the description below. I am using my Alpha Brush number 6 Oval Kolinsky to put my shades down, which worked beautifully. It was easy. This look was very messy. I want to just let you know it took a lot. Yeah, okay. So I'm filing just to get some separation going and to get those rainbow shades even and leveled out so that I can encapsulate. I did lay my acrylic down with my KUPA Divinity brushes. I have a number 8 and a number 10. And yeah, so right now I am filing. As you see how I'm filing like forward, just to make sure when you file side to side and you use as much glitter that I did, you may pull some product out. Now I did put the nails that have the art on them under my lamp for about 30 seconds just to make sure that it was set really well, because again, it was a bit more glitter than the nail art powder, but it turned out great. I am encapsulating using the Speed Clear. I'm not sure what happened here, but it looks like when you get to the end of the look, the clear looks a little foggy, and I don't really use the clear often. I usually go for the Mia Secrets clear. So everything was dry, as I laid it down. I'm not sure why it looks foggy. It could be, anything though. It could be possibly the brush. I don't know. I will use it again on my next look that I'm going to be posting for you guys soon. And we'll see if that makes a difference. But everything came together wonderfully. I did use Young Nails monomer, and it worked out just fine using Mia Secrets. That's pretty much it. It's self-explanatory. I did the cleaning up, cuticle work, and all that fun stuff, nail prep, before I started recording. So I'll let you go ahead and enjoy the rest of the video. If you have any questions, drop them below. If you like the video, drop a comment below. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Lots of thumbs. I mean, you only have 2, but you can use your big toe. I'm not mad. And turn on your notification bell so that you know when we drop an upload. We have some new shades coming. I keep saying that, but I promise they will be here. I promise you. So yeah. And my e-file that I use is from Aircy. I believe it's I'll leave it in the description, I'm sorry. But this e-file is amazing. The files that I use, the hand files are amazing too, by the way. But yeah, I'll drop it all in the description box. I really don't have much to say. I am a bit emotional, I'll say. So without further ado, I love you all. Thank you for being a part of our Glow For Me Cosmetics fam. Hashtag G4M fam below if you love us. Drop a rainbow below if you are contributing to, what's happening worldwide in a positive manner. Lots and lots of rainbows. I love you all. We appreciate your support and thank you for stopping by. Without further ado, I'm going to move around like I always tell you. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the remainder.